Today, I can show you how to check and see if the Nearby Share feature of your Android device has been upgraded to Quick Share or not. And if you're still on Nearby Share, then I can show you a trick that can hopefully force the upgrade on your device. This trick may only work for those with a Google Pixel smartphone or tablet, but if you can get the Pixel Tips app up and running on your non-Pixel device, then it may work for you as well. The Pixel Tips app can be downloaded directly from the Google Play Store, or you can grab it from an app repository like APK Mirror. Either way, we can check to see if your phone is still using the older Nearby Share feature by first opening up the Settings application, and then we're going to tap on the Connected Devices option. From here, we're going to select the Connection Preferences menu, and now look toward the bottom of this page. You should see whether your phone has been updated to Quick Share or not. If you see Quick Share here, then your smartphone or tablet has already been updated and you won't need to do anything further. However, if you see Nearby Share, like I have here on my Pixel 7 Pro, then that means you're still running the older version of this feature. Thankfully, we can force the device to upgrade to Quick Share by first opening up the Pixel Tips application. So from here, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you can see the Chat and Share box. Now, if you have a tablet or a foldable, instead, you're going to want to look for the Tools box. Since I have a phone, I'm going to tap on Chat and Share. Now, we're just going to swipe through this menu to see all of the different chat and share features that are included in Google Pixel devices. We're eventually going to get to a card that talks about either Nearby Share or Quick Share. And when you find that card, you're going to want to try and tap on that Try Quick Share or Try Nearby Share button. After you tap that button, you will either see a system picker show up at the bottom that allows you to pick between Nearby Share and Quick Share, or it's going to take you directly to the Quick Share page. Now, you already saw the card that said Nearby Share has now been updated to Quick Share. And you can see that at the top of this page here. Now, when we go back to the Settings application, go into the Connection Preferences page, you should see that Nearby Share is no longer listed, and that has been upgraded to Quick Share. If you're unable to force the upgrade to Quick Share, then it may be due to your device not having a recent version of the Google Play Services application. I'm reading that you're going to need version 24.05.15 or higher in order to upgrade Nearby Share to Quick Share on your Android smartphone or tablet. But be sure to let me know if you end up having any trouble with this manual upgrade.